Hello everybody, Smilsy back again, and I hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving. Just getting ready to go watch some football, but decided before football starts I'm going to open up this football box. I got one box of 2017 Panini's Rookies and Stars. Now this is the Target exclusive box with the one autograph, 2 mem cards per box. Looking at 10 cards per pack, 6 packs, so looking at 60 cards. Picked this up, of course, at Target for $49.95, I believe it was. So let's open this up. Alright, 3 hits. I'll start with pack 1. We got Robert Woods. Pretty nice design, not bad. Tyrod Taylor. Russell Wilson. Sean McCoy. Kevin White. We got Great American Heroes, Howie Long. Pretty nice looking prism card. Ooh, it is numbered 61 out of 99. Very cool. And we got Precision Passers, Russell Wilson, insert. Airborne, Troy Aikman. Old school jumping pitcher. Juju Smith-Schuster, a rookie card. Kaya, rookie. And Kids Reporter code. Alright, so we got a serial number card out of that pack. A couple inserts, a couple rookies. Pretty cool pack. Pack 2. Carson Wentz, Macklin, Blunt, Cam Newton, Antonio Gates, and it's backwards. First hit, Jameis Winston jersey, NFL Authentic, just plain jersey patch, not numbered. Player worn material, not bad looking card. And vet hit. My first jersey hit. I have one more to go. Got Antonio Gates, Dan Fouts, McCoy, Oku, and Kadeem Hunt. Nice. Just the base rookie. Pretty consistent right now. 2 rookies, 2 inserts. Alright. Pack 3. Halfway through here. Bosa. Doug Martin. Derek Carr, Von Miller, looks like we got redemption. Dak Prescott, we got Tyrod Taylor, freshman orientation prime. Don't know if that's a autograph. Doesn't really say on there, I don't think. So we'll have to look that up. But prime, so hopefully it's nice, a low numbered card. We'll have to check that out. First insert here of Tom Brady, action packed. And Patriots, we've got Gronk, standing ovation. Insert. Muhammad rookie, Jamal Williams rookie. Slugs, Abdullah, Alexander, Thomas, Rancor. Ooh, and for my Bengals, John Ross jersey, year 1. Hasn't played much this year. It's been kind of disappointing. So hopefully in the year he'll get some playing time. But I'll keep that in my PC. John Ross jersey. So this Taylor should be a autograph. Odell Beckham action packed. Standing ovation. LeVan Bell, Yancey, McKinley, and Kids Reporter code. Alright, 2 more packs. So that should be the last hit unless I get a bonus hit. Hopefully get a nice low serial number of rookie. That'd be cool. David Johnson, Jordan Reed, Mike Wallace, Drew Brees, Rolls, Paul Perkins, Rookie Rush, Foreman. First one of those. Jordan Willis, number 70 for my Bengals. Doing pretty good on Dingle Box here on Thanksgiving. Number 70. Got a Conley rookie and Dane's rookie and Kids Recorder. Alright, last pack. Let's get something cool out of last pack here. Kenny Britt, Corral, Pryor, T.Y. Hilton, Garcon, Jonathan Stewart, Charles Woodson, Prowlers. That's kind of cool. Ooh, another number to 70, Brandon Marshall. It's a pretty sharp looking card. Isaiah Ford rookie. And Valkyries rookie. Alright, that's it. Pretty fun break. I definitely would break more, especially if I get a little discount on these. Be pretty cool. I'll go ahead and redeem this, and if I get more information about what's number 2 or something like that, I'll let you guys know. Pretty fun break. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving and watch some football. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.